What's up everybody, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today we're going to be showing you how to install a TruXedo TruXport tonneau on your Toyota Tacoma. Now this is a pretty straightforward install that you can do with hand tools in your driveway, nothing crazy, so let's get right into it. So we're going to start at the bulkhead of our bed, and this top bar here is attached with some Torx screws that go underneath the rail. Now you're going to use a T30 Torx bit to loosen these up, and what we're going to do is just pop this rail off so we can put some foam squares on the edges, and that's just going to seal up against the bed rails to keep dust from coming in from behind it once we have the tonneau on. Make sure you wipe down the end of your rail here so that way it's clean and there's not any dirt that's going to keep things from adhering. Then take your foam square, peel off the backing on there with the adhesive, and this is just going to line up and stick on. Then make sure you do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to remount this bar with the same 5 screws that we used to take it out. Next, you want to go ahead and grab your actual tonneau cover, which will come rolled up, and there's going to be a rail on the end of it with some foam that's already stuck on here. We're going to set this on the edge of our bed right now, just so it's here ready to go. Make it just hang out just like that. Next up, you need to grab one of your tonneau rails, and you can tell which side is which because these clasps on the end are what are going to lock the tonneau in place at the end where the tailgate is. So that's going to make this one our driver's side, and then the other one will be the passenger. And we're going to take a look at the corner here. You'll see that there's a round plastic section. This is actually what's going to slot into the main rail on our tonneau, but you'll need to put some foam on there to help weather seal it. All right, there we go. Flip this around. And set that rail here, and let's do the same for our other rail. Now go ahead, roll your tonneau back to where you can see the end of the rail. That open slot is going to match up with this plastic tab. Wiggle it into place here. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. With the rails slotted in, go ahead and move the tonneau over so you can see where the end is. And we're going to just push this forward towards the bulkhead of the bed. Once it's all straight, we can go ahead, hop in, and we're going to slot the clamps in to lock this down. The clamps for this kit look a lot more complex than they actually are, so you should have 3 for each side that are shaped like this, and they basically slide in to where the lower section goes in your cargo rail, and then the top's going to grab onto the actual bed rail for the tonneau. Now, before we slide these in, you will need to pop out this little plastic cap on the end, and it's just a little push down and slide. Once that's clear, we'll grab this clamp. I like to loosen them up quite a bit to where it's still threaded in, but there's a lot of play in it. We'll get that bottom lined up with the cargo rail, just like that. And then you can position just like this to get it to basically grab the ribs on the inside of that rail while still being channeled at the bottom. We'll slide this one down and do the other 2. So I've got the 3 of these evenly spaced along the tonneau. We'll go through and tighten them with a 13mm socket on our ratchet, but you want to leave them just a little bit loose so you can adjust it and make sure everything is square once you have all 6 clamps on the truck. I've got our clamps tightened on here just enough to hold the rails in place, so now's a good time to basically test fit the tonneau and make sure it's lined up straight and it's going to seal the way you need it to. So we'll just roll the cover forward. You want to make sure that these bars underneath are falling in line on the rails, so that keeps it kind of supported through the middle section. Then once we get to the end, it's going to have this channel that slots in. Pull down with some force. And then if you got it straight, it should line up both sides here where the Velcro will be nice and even. It should sit obviously even to the truck, looking at it from the cab as well. Ours looks like it's dead straight. So from here, we'll go back, we'll just retighten those clamps to make sure they're good. And then you also want to be sure that your tailgate can close with this. Ours closes no problem. There's a rubber seal on the inside that's pushing up against there to help keep that dust out. So looks like we're in business. One last thing you need to remember to do once your tonneau is all straight is where these plastic corners are, you're gonna have two more little foam cutouts that'll fit on these. You just wanna stick them on here once again to help keep the dust and the weather out. So that's going to be a wrap on the install for this TruXedo tonneau, but real quick, let's talk about functionality. Reaching underneath the tonneau here, there's a metal tab on each side of the truck. If you push down on that with your thumb, it'll release, and then keep a hand rested at the top. And it should pop up just like that. Then from there, you just want to make sure you roll it back in a nice tight fold. Now with the tonneau all the way back, you have full access to your bed, but you'll notice that you also have these straps hanging down on the inside. What these are for is just to stretch around the outside of the tonneau, and they'll hook to some loops back here on the bulkhead that hold this in place so it doesn't roll forward with the wind blowing over your truck. Now, obviously those just simply unclip, and then when it's time to close your tonneau again, you can roll it forward and latch it shut. One last thing to note is that these clamps do mount within your factory cargo rails. So if you have these cargo cleats that you took out, they will still reinstall. You'll just push them in and rotate them just like that. And then you can tighten the turn on it and slide it into place. So we've got ours in here, and that's going to be a wrap on this tonneau cover install. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.